Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the chart. So remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. I didn't do an analysis on Saturday. I just had no time, so I'm doing one quick analysis today. Let's start with Nasdaq. With Nasdaq, we had this wedge suggesting that we will fall down, and that's what we did. We almost came to the bottom of this wedge. When we turned around, right now we are above the 20-day EMA. If we can close above the 20-day EMA this candle, today's candle, then I'm bullish on Nasdaq, and I think we are going back above somewhere. At the same time, I'm looking at this chart closely because on the weekly we may start to establish a pattern that could be a topping pattern. We will see. Now let's go over to Sp500. That's the daily chart on the Sp500, and right now below the 20-day EMA, suggesting that we might be bouncing up and down here in this area, spending some time here. We will see. Once we get a daily close above the 20-day EMA, then I'm bullish on Sp500 again. Dow Jones. Dow Jones is below the 50-day EMA. That's bearish. We bounce back up. We are probably on our way to the 50-day EMA at around 35,400, and there we will see if we touch it and then pull back, fall down. That's bearish sign. If we can break above there and break above the 20-day EMA and have a daily close above there, then that's a bullish sign then. Okay, but right now I think we still have time or room to go up. Good. Let's go over to Germany, the German index. Okay, that's the daily chart on the German index. We had a big fall, a big pullback. If you look at the weekly chart, then you can see that we touched the bottom. I mean, we touched the 50 EMA, I believe. And then bounce back up, and right now we are here touching the lower part of the Bollinger Band. I think we could go back to the 50-day EMA, and so there's still room going up. Here I'm going to watch what it does. If we can break above there, especially above the 20-day EMA, then I'm bullish on the German index again. Going over to Japan, Nikkei. So that's the daily chart on Nikkei, and yeah, we broke down below the 50-day EMA. We had this wedge, was really scary, and of course we broke down, even maybe to the bottom of this wedge. So yeah, we can always fall further down, but anyway, right now I think we could be on our way back to the 50-day EMA. If you look at this chart history, short history, we always bounce back to the 50-day EMA, and sooner or later I think we are going to touch it again. And once we get above there and the 20-day EMA have a daily close above there, then I'm bullish on Nikkei again. Going over to Russel. That's the daily chart on Russel. We are below the 50-day EMA. That's a bad sign, but I think right now we are on our way back there. And there I'm going to watch what Russel does. So I think we are on our way to 2311. Once we get there, we could touch it and pull back, fall down again, or break above there and break above. If we break above the 20-day EMA also, then I'm going to be bullish on Russel. Let's go over to India. That's the daily chart on Nifty. We are below the 50-day EMA. In fact, the 20-day EMA crossed the 50-day EMA. That's not a good sign, so we are below it. But right now we could be going back there, and yeah, 17,700. Let me just have a quick look on the weekly chart here on Nifty.